Welcome smart traders. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most important concepts in price action trading, support and resistance, along with SBR and RBS levels. By the end of this video, you'll know what they are, how to identify them, and more importantly, how to trade them profitably. Let's get right into it. When the price is rejected twice from the same zone while attempting to move downward, that zone is identified as a support level. Once this level is established, we wait for the price to pull back to the support area. This presents a potential buying opportunity, as there's a high probability the price will bounce upward from this level. Conversely, if the price is rejected twice while trying to move upward from a particular area, that zone becomes a resistance level. After resistance is confirmed, we look for the price to pull back to this area. This sets up a potential selling opportunity, since there's a strong likelihood the price will reverse downward after retesting the resistance level. When support and resistance are formed and the price is ranging between these two levels, the strength of support or resistance depends on the number of rejections. We can take buy trade at the support level and sell trade at the resistance level until the price breaks any of the two levels. Now let's talk about SBR and RBS levels. When a support is formed after multiple rejection from the same area and then the price breaks below the support level, this support will now act as a resistance and is called support become resistance or SBR level. Once the SBR is formed, we look for the price to pull back to SBR level. This sets up a potential selling opportunity, since there's a high probability that the price will continue downward after retesting the SBR level. Conversely, when a resistance is formed and the price breaks above the resistance level, this resistance now acts as a support, also called resistance become support or RBS level. Once the RBS is formed, we look for the price to pull back to RBS level. If the price shows some rejection at the RBS level, this presents a potential buying opportunity, as there's a high probability the price will bounce upward from RBS level. Now that we have good understanding of all types of support and resistance, let's see some real market chart examples. As we can see in this example, the price is rejected twice from support level. When the price pullbacks to the support level and shows sign of rejection, this is our entry point for a buy position because there is high probability of upward movement. As we can see in this example, that price made a significant move in the upward direction from our entry point. In the next example, the price is rejected multiple times from the same level and created a resistance. Now we look for the pullback to resistance level, and if the price shows some rejection, this will be our entry point to open our sell position. As we can see, the price made a significant move in the downward direction from our entry point. When the support is formed and the price breaks below the support level, this support now acts as a SBR level after the breakout. Now wait for the market to pull back to SBR level, and after sign of rejection, we can enter the sell position because of potential downward movement. As we can see, the price made a significant downward movement from our entry point. Similarly, when the resistance is formed and the price breaks above the resistance level, the resistance becomes support, also called RBS level. Now wait for the price to pull back to the RBS level. If the price shows any sign of rejection at the RBS level, this will be our entry point for the buy position because of high potential for upward movement. As we can see, the price made a good bullish move from our entry point. The more times a level is respected, the stronger it becomes, but once broken, it can lead to explosive moves in the opposite direction. So always combine these levels with context from the overall trend. Thanks for watching, and remember, trade with logic, not emotion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our next video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment below. See you in the next one.